is the US DOJ statement. Tahawur Hussain Rana to stand trial in India on 10 criminal charges is what we are learning. This is the Justice Department on the extradition of Rana. Criminal charges stemming from his alleged role in the 2008 terror attacks in Mumbai. Rana, 64, is charged in India with numerous offences including conspiracy, murder, commission of a terrorist act, forgery related to his alleged involvement in the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks committed by Lashkar-e-Taiba. This is the Justice Department statement that has come in on the charges that Rana is facing.
On April 9th, the United States extradited Tahawwur Hussain Rana to India to face justice for his role in planning the horrific 2008 Mumbai terrorist attacks. Some people watching may not remember these, but I encourage you to look them up and to find out exactly how horrible this was and the importance of this situation today. These attacks resulted in the tragic loss of 166 lives, including 6 Americans, that shocked the entire world. The United States has long supported India's efforts to ensure those responsible for these attacks are brought to justice. And as President Trump has said, the United States and India will continue to work together to combat the global scourge of terrorism.
I'm going to go straight across to Amit Bhardwaj for more details on that. Amit, this is the statement from the Department of Justice talking about the fact that Rana is to stand trial on 10 criminal charges that he is facing. Take us through the details of what does the charge sheet also say, the NIA charge sheet against Rana.
Well, Sneha, we know for a matter of fact the way Indian agencies worked in tandem with the US agencies in order for successful extradition of Tahawwur Rana. But why did that happen? How did the US agencies, authorities certainly change their mind and allow the extradition of Tahawwur Rana? That is because Indian agencies have a watertight case against him. And it's not only about conspiracy or, giving logistical support to Tahawur Hussain Rana, because till date we were the international media, so to say, was referring him to someone who provided logistical support to David Coleman Headley. His involvement in the 26/11 horrific terror attack on India, which led to the murder of 166 people, the massacre of 166 people in Mumbai. The involvement of Tahawur Hussain Rana is much bigger than just conspiring or plotting that terror attack on India. The 10 charges is something that has been given to the United States authority. The Department of Justice has taken note of it, and they have officially accepted and communicated it as well, that these all 10 charges, criminal charges, are stemming from the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack, and they include conspiracy, murder, commission of terror act in India on Indian soil, along with that forgery and several other angles in connection to the Mumbai terror attack that was executed by the Lashkar-e-Taiba. Now, what will happen in India is that after this extradition process was completed successfully yesterday, and remember, we are a country which believes in our legal system, and even a terror accused is being given all the recourses which are available as per the Indian legal system, and that is why when he landed on the Indian soil and he was put under arrest by the NIA, a thorough medical examination was done by Indian authorities, and the documents of which have been put in front of the court as well. And similar documents must have been also shared with the US counterparts as well, because remember, this is a case of extradition as well. So they have to be kept in loop as far as his health is concerned. So that must have been communicated as well. So now what will happen is that for next 18 days, Tahawur Hussain Rana is going to be probed on the angles, the 10 charges that he is facing, including murder, commission of terror attack, as well as forgery, and several other cases in connection to the 26/11 terror attack, the Lashkar-e-Taiba attack on India. So all that angles will be probed. He will be confronted with evidences and the documents which are already available, because remember, someone like Ajmal Amir Kasab was hanged till death only after a fair trial was completed in India with documents, with evidences, and all those documents. Charge sheet is already with the agencies, and the case is because with the NIA. Hence, Tahawwur Rana has been brought to the national capital, not to Mumbai. But there's always a possibility that he can be actually taken to Mumbai later on when the investigation, the Mumbai crime branch or the Mumbai agencies which wants to probe him, Maharashtra agencies which wants to probe him in the terror plot of 26/11, they could also seek permission to get his remand. But that will happen in the later stage, if at all. Right now, for next 18 days, the questioning of Tahawur Hussain Rana is going to happen in the NIA headquarters right behind me. 12 investigators of the NIA are the only ones who will be given access to Tahawur Hussain Rana, and they will be probing him. But that process will begin after a crucial meeting, which, as per our sources, is slated to happen at 11 a.m. today, where the officials of the NIA will be meeting the senior officials of the NIA, and after that strategy will be carved out. But 12 investigators will probe him for next 18 days. Back to you.